Transform your passion into profit by launching a stunning e-commerce website that sells. No code required. Today, we're diving into Webflow to build a professional online store from scratch. First, let's get your products showcased. We'll design visually appealing product pages by dragging and dropping elements like images, text blocks, and pricing. You'll learn how to arrange these components to create an attractive and informative presentation for each item in your inventory. Next, manage your inventory with ease. Webflow's built-in e-commerce tools allow you to add new products, upload high-quality images, write compelling descriptions, and set your prices. You can also track stock levels to ensure you never oversell an item. Now, let's secure those sales. We'll walk through the simple steps of setting up your payment processing. Connect your preferred payment gateways, like Stripe or PayPal, and configure tax options to ensure a smooth and secure checkout experience for your customers. Creating a seamless shopping journey is key. We'll explore how to design intuitive navigation, add clear calls to action, and ensure a user-friendly checkout process that makes buying from your store a pleasure. In just minutes, you'll have the foundation for a professional and visually appealing online store. Launching your e-commerce business with Webflow is an accessible and powerful way to reach your customers and grow your brand.